Negotiating the best deal when buying a property involves several key strategies. First, you'll want to research your local market to understand the property values and the recent sales. Next, set a budget and determine your maximum offer beforehand, allowing room for negotiations. Be prepared to walk away if those terms don't align with your goals. You should consider enlisting the help of a skilled real estate professional who can provide guidance and represent your interests. Maintaining a professional and respectful approach throughout the negotiation process is crucial to reaching a favorable outcome. If you need help with your search and negotiations, give me a call at 803-814-6136, and I look forward to speaking with you. And if you're watching me on YouTube, hit the bell button or the subscribe button and learn about my new videos every week.